Hello learners, today we will learn about the evolution of the Himalaya. This map shows the various Tathian basins of Himalaya. Before going into this map, let us say what is this Tathian. During Permo-Carboniferous times, the formation of Laurasia land and Gondwana land took place. Let me explain a bit about this formation of Gondwana land and Laurasia land. Up to Permo-Carboniferous times, there was one land mass, that is Pangaea, surrounded by Panthalassa Sea. During Permo-Carboniferous times, there was east-west tension, due to which the Pangaea broke up into two continents, the northern continent Laurasia and the southern continent Gondwana land. These two continents were separated by a deep depression into which the rivers flowed, and that became the Tathys Sea, and from Tathys Sea they named Tathian basins. You have got Tathian basin in Kashmir, in Punjab, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, and if you see in the east you have got in Sikkim, Bhutan. Now into these Tathian basins Eocene sediments were deposited. The formation of Gondwana land is very clearly shown in this map. You can easily make out Africa, South America, the Gondwana land, and then in green you have got India followed by Australia. As I said, the east-west tension is indicated by the red arrows. This is called as East African origin, that is mountain activity. These illustrations show how the continents is split. This picture shows how the plains of India are going or thrusting down into the Tibetan, the Eurasian plate, that is crustal deformation. As I said earlier, the Tathys Sea was formed, and this is how the formation had taken place. If you see very carefully, the Indian peninsular part is going underneath the Eurasian plate, which is on top. This indicates the entire movement of the plates, the Indian plate, how it is going under the Eurasian plate, which I had earlier called as the Chinese Tibetan plate. Well, Eurasian plate is from Europe. We are immediately the neighbors of Tibet and China, and so the use of Tibetan plate, a Chinese plate in place of Eurasian plate is perfectly all right. Now this shows the movement of Indian peninsula towards the north. As the arrow indicates, the movement is taking place right from south towards north, and the present position of India is shown by dark pink color. This is again gradual movement. When we say movement, you don't mean a second or a minute or an hour or a day, a week, a month, a year. We mean millions of years the shifting had taken place for the present position of Indian plate. So this is the overall orogenic movement. This picture indicates the formation of a basin. How a basin is formed. The example is taken from Sirmur Basin. Sirmur is a small town in Himachal Pradesh. Right in the front you get the basin structure, and towards the north you see raised portion, and below the raised portion you have got the alluvial fans or alluvial cones. Alluvial fans and alluvial cones are those structures which are formed by the sediments brought down by the rivers, deposited in the form of a cone or fan. The entire process of formation of the basin, how the movement has taken place, is shown in this slide. This shows the entire panorama of Indian subcontinent with reference to other landmass. One side you have China, other side you have Tibet, on other side you have got Pakistan, Afghanistan, and the one which is marked by red color is actually the Indian plate. I had taken you to the evolution of the Himalaya, and I hope you found this study very interesting. Thank you.